Hello guys, welcome back. Let's go ahead and start with Jupyter Notebook. When you install Numpy, you can import it as a library. So I type import Numpy as np, and before starting coding, let's start by discussing arrays. Arrays are the main way we are going to be using the Numpy library, alright? When we work with NumPys, our arrays can be one-dimensional vectors or two-dimensional matrices. Let's go and show you how we can create an array in Python. At first, I create a normal list. I want to name it my list and put numbers in this list 1, 2, and 3. And now, let's print our list. Okay, let's print something more. Type of our variable. Type my list is a list. Let's cast our normal Python list into an array, and I type a name for my variable. I use np.array, and then it's time to add our list and run it. We can see the difference between our variables. What's the type of our new variable? Let's print it. Type test, because I name it test. Our variable is one-dimensional vector, and we can create two-dimensional matrix. Let's do that. I use matrix for name of my variable. I put some number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's see result. What is the type of matrix? Let's print it. It is an array.